Summertime, wind is blowing outside in North Chelsea, and I don't know what I'm doing in the city. The sun is always in my eyes. It crashes through the windows. I'm sleeping on the couch when I can't do visit you. That's when I knew that I could never have you. I knew that before you did. Still I'm the one who's stupid. And there's this burning like there's always been. I've never been so alone any night. Never been so alive. Drive by, cigarette ash flies in your eyes, and you don't mind. You smile and say the world it doesn't feel like you. I don't believe you. It's so serene, careen to the universe. Your axis on your tilt. You're guiltless and free. I hope you take a piece of me. There's things I'd like to do that you don't believe in. To build something, you'll never see it happen. And there's this burden, like there's always been. I've never been so alone. And I've never been so alive. I go home to the coast, it's about to rain. I paddle out on the water alone. Taste the salt and taste the pain. I'm not thinking of you again. Summer dies and swells rise. The sun goes down in my eyes. I see this one day not be coming. Take me home.